here is Dinar and you are watching the video digest in which we tell Let's start with one of the most interesting news of the past weeks. At the Unitsky String Technology Center in Sharjah, there were installed the data storage arrays from Lenovo. Information about this appeared on the website of the electronics manufacturer. The equipment will allow to store almost 1.5 petabytes of information. This is enough to process large amounts of data for round-the-clock and automatic operation of the Skyway transport in the UAE. The prospects for cooperation with Lenovo were explained by the general designer of Unitsky String Technologies, Anatoly Unitsky. The new storage system, he says, will enable a high-performance transport network with artificial intelligence. At the same time, the project will be able to count on the expert support of Lenovo. To get to know more about new equipment in Sharjah, follow the link in the description under this video. In the meantime, let us move on to the next piece of news. The Summit on Innovations in Logistics has been held in Dubai. One of the participants of the event was a representative of the Unitsky String Technologies Center in Sharjah. Attendees got to know about the advantages of the string transport and its application in linear cities. In his speech, the representative of the center highlighted that the UST technology is almost ready to enter the market. Now the transport is being tested in Sharjah, where there has been built a 400-meter test line and two 2.4-kilometer tracks are underway. In addition, solutions have already been developed for the automatic transportation of sea containers and long-distance passenger transport at speeds of up to 500 kilometers per hour. In perspective, these vehicles will allow to reduce the load on conventional roads. An important part of the report was the description of the concept of linear cities. These are small settlements that are located at a distance from each other and are connected by string tracks. This method of building is much safer and more environmentally friendly than modern megacities. You can get to know even more from the speech in Dubai in our summary. The link is in the description. In conclusion, we share materials about the project in the media. The website of What's On magazine published an article about 5 transport technologies that may be introduced in the UAE in the near future. The list includes the transport of the Unitsky String Technologies company. Journalists briefly described the main features of the technology and brought up one of the highlights of the project's history. In October 2019, His Highness Dr. Sultan bin Mohammed Al Qasimi, a member of the Supreme Council and ruler of Sharjah, visited the testing of the Skyway transport on the territory of the Sharjah Research and Technology Park. We remind you that then the test ride took place on the 400-meter section. By the way, this article is published in a special section dedicated to the anniversary of the United Arab Emirates. In 2021, the country is celebrating its 50th anniversary. Read the original article and its main points at the link in the description. That has been all the news for today. Subscribe to the SWC YouTube channel and turn on notifications for not missing the next releases of the video digest. See you later!